So for today, I will be showing you on how to use Shello Wallet Tracker. So first, you need to navigate to the Shello web application, which is the app.shello.finance. So after accessing this website, you need to connect your wallet by navigating or clicking the button which is labeled as Connect Wallet. And then, for you to integrate with Telegram with real-time alerts, it is optional but it is recommended. Upon your first login, you will be prompted to connect a Shello Telegram bot, and in this integration, it enables you to receive instant alerts for transactions from your wallets you are tracking. And to set it up, select the Telegram bot during the onboarding process. This will also open the Telegram app, and you just have to follow the on-screen instructions for you to able to complete the setup. And then, to explore and track wallets, you can add wallets to your feed by using the Explore Wallets feature to discover wallets of interest. Just click Add next to wallet to include it in your personalized feed. And create and follow public list. Just navigate to public list to find curated list of wallets created by other Shello users. And then, in Utilize and Analyze, the global search bar at the top left allows you to find specific wallets, tokens, NFTs, or even lists. And to analyze the wallet activities, transaction tracking, view detailed transaction histories including buys and sells. Also, funds movements. And then, customize your experience by setting alerts that configure alerts for specific wallet activities to stay informed about the significant transactions. Also, you can personalize your feed by adding or removing wallets and adjusting settings to focus on the information that is most relevant to you. And that's how you use a Shello Wallet Tracker.